Hello, everyone. Today we have a small and funny story again. Stay with us, relax, and enjoy the moment. Today, hot water. I sit in a small cafe. Rainy day, warm lights, cozy.
Good cafe day. Rain outside. Warm drink inside. Perfect.
A worker brings hot water. Small cup. Steam goes up. Nice. I hold the cup. Warm hands. Warm face. Good.
Careful, Jane. Very hot. Too hot. Danger water.
I blow on the water. Whew. Small wind. Okay. Then I try to drink. Tiny sip. Very small. Ah!
Too fast. Hot water wins. Jane loses. Again.
I put the cup down fast. Too hot. Very hot. Wow. I wave my hand near my mouth. Hot mouth. Little pain. Help.
Small sip. Big problem. Hot water. Powerful.
I wait now. No drink. Just wait. Okay. I look at the cup again. Steam. Warm water.
Big question now. Safe water or trap water? Mystery.
I try again slowly. Tiny sip. Careful. Better. I smile proudly. I learn. Slow drink. Smart. I wait again. No drink. Just wait. Okay. I look outside. Rain falls. People walk. Calm.
Good plan. Wait more. Cold water later. Easy.
5 minutes later, I smile. Ready now? Okay. I take a sip again. Tiny sip. Careful. Ah!
Still hot. Very hot. Super hot. Impossible.
I look at the cup. Small cup. Hot water. Strange. I wait more. 10 minutes. Long time. Okay.
Science says cold soon. Café says no. Mystery water. Dangerous.
I touch the cup carefully. Still warm. Steam again. Wow. I laugh softly. Magic water. Never cold. Maybe.
New cafe story. Wrong chairs. Magic water. Special place.
I look around the cafe. Warm lights. Quiet rain. Strange and nice. I look at the cup again. Steam still there. Hot water. How? Then the worker walks by. Warm smile. Quiet steps. Excuse me.
Good time. Ask the secret. Mystery water. Finally.
I point at the cup. Still hot. Very hot. Why? The worker laughs softly. Ah, special cup. Secret.
Secret cup? Not normal cup. Magic cafe cup. Wow.
I look closer. Black cup. Thick cup. The worker taps the cup gently. Keeps water hot longer. Very famous here. Best cup.
So, not magic water. Magic cup. Cafe technology. Powerful.
I laugh too. Now I understand. Danger cup. Scary. The worker smiles big. Slow drink. Small sip. Easy.
Good advice. Not fast. Slow drink. Smart.
I take another sip. Tiny sip. Careful. Perfect. I smile proudly. Finally. Good temperature. Success. I hold the warm cup. Small steam. Soft rain outside. Peaceful.
Funny thing. Hot water first. Calm day later. Change.
Before today, fast walk, fast drink. Always hurry. But now, slow sip. Quiet cafe. Better.
Maybe slow is good sometimes. Not always run. Not always hurry. Breathe.
I look outside the window. Rain moves slowly. People walk slowly. Nice. I drink again. Warm water. Perfect now. Finally.
Not too hot now. Not too fast. Just right. Easy.
I smile at the cup. Slow drink. Slow day. Good idea. I finish my drink slowly. Warm cup empty. Rain softer now. Nice. Then I look at the clock. Bus time. Very close. Oh.
Old Jane runs now. Fast steps. Hurry, hurry. Chaos.
I stand near the window. I see the bus outside. Doors open. Waiting. I take one step, then stop. No running.
Wait. No running? No panic? New Jane.
The bus starts moving. Slow first. Then gone. Okay.
She missed it. But no stress. No angry face. Different.
I sit down again. Soft chair. Quiet cafe. Better. I smile a little. Next bus is okay. No problem.
Big moment. Not fast Jane. Calm Jane. Growth.
I look outside again. People running. Umbrellas moving. Not me today. I take a deep breath. Warm cafe. Slow day. Good choice. I sit near the window again. Empty cup. Soft rain. Quiet. Then a man near the door looks at me. Wet jacket. Fast breathing. Hurry.
Bus runner. Fast shoes. Tired face. Opposite Jane.
He looks outside. The bus is gone. Empty street. Oh. Then he looks at me. You saw the bus? Confused face. Ask.
Important question. Jane knows. She saw everything. Yes.
I nod slowly. Yes. I saw it. True. The man looks shocked. But why didn't you run? Why?
Old Jane asks same question. Run fast. Catch bus. Normal.
I smile softly. I wanted to, but... I look at the warm cafe. Rain outside. Quiet inside. Nice. Then I say, this felt better. Next bus is okay. No stress.
The man stops moving. No hurry now. Just listening. Interesting.
He looks outside again. Rain. Empty street. Calm. Then he laughs softly. Maybe I need slow days too. Maybe.
One calm person. Another calm person. Cafe getting quieter. Warm.
The rain was still outside. Buses still moved. People still hurried. But not me. I looked at the warm cafe. Quiet lights, soft music, safe feeling.
Funny day. Hot water, missed bus, slow change.
Maybe we all need a place like this sometimes. A quiet chair, a warm drink, no rushing. Sometimes the best place is the place where you stop running and just breathe. If this calm little story stayed with you, leave a like for us. Subscribe and come back for another quiet moment together. And tell us in the comments, do you like slow days or busy days?
Thanks for slowing down with us today. See you in the next story.